dog, you know, say I grab we go and dog. I see pray dog. I see if I buy my car dog. I'm a own a friend them. The video where you see I go on, I'm a own a friend them, bro. Me and them apart down to the stage show. Down to what day when me I do this song and me I say, yo, go outside what do them liquor boy and hear me call few man name. I them see a man there in the video they rap me, bro.
This is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One chargy badness you're brawling.
Thing, man. We are fear play Silk Boss and get a fear spin out. Who you man? Ramp with the damn thing, push all one talk, man. You know what charge it talk, man.
Alright, feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery. Stay to myself with my buckle and my rum and my weed. My Glock 17 and breathe.
Hey, me not tell a lie still, you know. It's hard being an artist. It's very, very, very hard being a dancehall artist. Let me tell you something. Dancehall is not a play sport. Dancehall is not a child sport. You see me? Dancehall is something like boxing or UFC. You have to fight till you're tired for stay night. You see me? And me don't want to feel like a gimmicks it out. But anybody in the dancehall feel know say a soft person cannot be in a dancehall. Dancehall have to be rugged, especially if you are a street DJ. Meaning you want street cred. We not talk some artists where, you know, them do them little song, sing them little song and them then fly out gone to Europe and them then gone round this or over this or all kind of place. Me a talk, forget the street cred, forget hardcore ghetto people, Jamaican for rate you in a dancehall. It's not easy. Especially if you're a youth where you're not out from the streets. Let's say you're sheltered. You see me, when you're a little youth, you was a nerd in a high school and them thing there. Remember, you know, now you're just gonna be a nerd with money. So people are gonna just manipulate you and treat you like similar like how them do Silk Boss. Don't get me wrong, I am not saying that Silk Boss is a nerd or not like that. I just try to explain to you how hard and how tough dancehall is. So by now, when you're supposed to know, say, Silk Boss get box up. People, some healthy box. Me don't tell you already in the previous review. Now, me gonna explain why him actually get them box there. Because him do one video with Terror. An interview, I should say. Him do an interview with Terror. And we are gonna talk about the whole interview. Because me suspect say some liar tell same way. But then again, him probably tell them lie there for try protect himself. So we can't bash him nor anything like that. So we are talk about that after this. This video is brought to you by Millennium, the best of the 2000s throwback party. Come party with me, Chaddy Murray, on the night of my birthday. That's November the 19th in Port Antonio, Portland. Music by Cashflow Rings, CD Master Biggs, and C-Matic from outer St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. People, it's gonna be an epic night at Millennium, the best of the 2000s.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So on the interview that Silk Boss did with Terror, he spoke about what really took place between him and the man them. Him explain and say him and the man them are friend. I'm friend them and him take care of the man them X, Y, and Z. But people, this are not friend like, and it's not a friendship like grassroots days. Like say, yo, me and that brother, they have friend from school days or nothing like that. To how it sound, and I'm just speculating right now. And you can tell me in the comment section if me wrong or what. But it sound like say, him going at the man them place, Zane, him and the man them start link, and him just feel say, him and the man them a friend. Because I say, if I a real friend that youth, them would have never do so. You see, if even you and your friend have a little disagreement and it turn into even some physical violence, which people may not defend that nothing go on, no time. No time, me and my friend can't in no physical altercation. But let's say in a Silk Boss case, him and him friend in a physical altercation. Zane, Yo, you see the recording thing where them beat up the man and record it and blast it on the internet. Brother, you have to stop say them man they are your friend. Them man they wasn't no friend. Them man they was just using you because them see as a little giggy youth we can use. Or them see an opportunity. And again, don't get me wrong, you know. I don't know artists I get box. Me say it in a previous review. You see me? Artists I get box long time. Yo, even Bob Marley used to box up artists. Brawling. You see me? So, artists I get box from a taller time. The only thing that is different right now is the box is being recorded and broadcasted on the internet. I mean, I tell you how artist life pressuring right now. Remember, you know, the only reason why Silk Boss would have really link with them man there is because him probably want know say yo him have some set of man around him where we defend him. But Silk Boss, as an artist, brother, you need to know where I do because I see him so. Me could have do a different report about you right now. The headlines could have be Silk Boss body found. People, we don't want that for happen. We definitely don't want that for happen to Silk Boss or anyone with Jamaican talent them. Remember, you know, me preach violence a lot in the music. But when we say violence, we mean clash. The artists them for clash and this and that. We don't want nothing physically happen to the artists them. But guess what now? Why it extra pressuring on dancehall artists? In a case like this, you can't go to the police. You just can't. And a man like might say, but yo, them beat him up, them rob him, because in the interview with Terrena, it was stated that the man them rob Silk Boss 1.5, for no 1.5 or 1.4 million dollars somewhere there. For buy a car, him did have the money there for buy a car, and the man them just set him up, rob him, beat him up, and video him. Yo, John was star. Should Silk Boss go to the police? Because a police matter this, you know. But no, you're artist. If you go to police, you think I look shaky.
Erwin, tell me what do them liquor fool there? Creature call me what they say kill that liquor you there.
So I know to that happen when it happen.
Bro, that happened from around last month, dog. You see, bro.
This is the part where get me confusing with Silk Boss. Cause him say it happened from about last month. You see me? Now, this song what me just play earlier on where I say yo Erwin, Ray.
Erwin, tell me what do them liquor fool there?
It's alleged that are one of the man them we box up Silk Boss. Zane? So booms now. That song was released like about 8 days ago. And that's a counteraction for Joshy's song that was released 12 days ago. So normally I would have been after Joshy's song drop. Them do the song there within 4 days. Unless them did have the song before, but that sound like say the video would have been like a week ago or so. Because the same man them we in the video a box up Silk Boss. Silk Boss say at them same man there did in this music video. So unless me I read it wrong, somebody in the comment section correct me. But I saw me interpret it. And next point where me can't understand, me listen the interview 50 times and me still can't understand that part here.
I don't bother buy this cakes and the bimmer me I go buy and me link it dog. I say yo bro, you wanna know? Me I come for the money in a dog. Me I go buy the bimmer in a dog. So
yeah.
Because this a dog when me call say me I come for the money and him set up everything, you know.
Me not understand. If I hear money, why you never have it in a your position? Why you have to call a man to tell a man say you go for your money? Me not understand that part there. And guess, as I said before, unless I me interpret it wrong, but them say that man set him up. When him call him and say, yo, me I come for the money X, Y, and Z, him see be a man. When him reach a place where him go, him see be a man surround him. And him also say one of the man them call him and ask him for money for them daughter. And when him reach, I beaten again. So, me don't know. It's like some of the story, me not understand totally. But what me can say still, Silk Boss, watch yourself, brother. And everybody around you, friend my youth. You can't go a certain man place and expect say you and them are gonna be friend like that. You say yo when you go place 100 man strong, but at the end of the day at the same 100 man them box you up, dog. You see me? You have to know what you do. If you can't manage the street thing, go get some official bodyguard and them people around you, my G. Because you could have dead. So, may I beg you, please, try protect your life. And the next thing too, enough people are talk about, yo, him career done and this and that. Brother, this, you can get one of the biggest hit out your life out of this. You see me? One of the biggest hit you can get out of that situation. Yeah. But the same interview where you do with Third and Mary spit some lyrics in one of the part them. You see it? Find a studio, record that right now and drop it. You hear what me I tell you? Just try turn all of the negative energy in one positive energy. It's very hard, you know, because I have an idea. A big chunk of dancehall work off a street cred. And by doing this, you don't have any street credibility right now. You see me? So, you have to just find a niche, do back some songs, because you don't have a love from the people. And when I look on the comment section on the social media, and you the people I defend. Majority, more than say, like 90% of the people must say, yo, a foolish this. X, Y, and Z. And everybody can say a foolish. You see me? So it's not like them a defend them thing. But Silk Boss know who you are grown, brother. Dancehall is not a play sport. In the street and a play thing. The street deadly youth. Deadly. So just know what you do. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.